In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a new Gmail to your LinkedIn account. So if you want to delete your old mail, you just add a new one and then you delete the old one, which is the primary one. To do that, launch your LinkedIn like this. Tap on your profile, top left corner of your screen. And now let's move to our settings. Tap on the settings at the bottom here. Good. On this section, we move to sign in and security. And then you can see email addresses here. Just open that. There's a tutorial mail and you can see the primary email is the email you created your LinkedIn account with. So you can add one. Yeah. So you enter the email. What email do I even have apart from this tutorial mail? The rest of them are personal ones. But let's say GHA. This is for tutorial. So Gmail. And then .com, something like this. And then you add your LinkedIn account password. After that, you submit it and then you confirm your mail in your mailbox. Simple. And after that, you come here and then you delete this mail. You have the option to delete this one and simple. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.